Hello, I'm Fat.
I'm Tre.
Welcome back to another edition of Fast and Tre. And today what we're going to talk about is things to do 30 days before your cruise.
So today what we're going to give you the tips, the tricks, the hacks of what you prepare you for your 30-day mark for your next cruise.
Yeah.
So first thing we're going to tell you is join the Facebook groups.
Yes.
Join them.
That's a must.
Yes, because you're missing out. Each time there's a sailing on any ship, there is a Facebook group that is created just to give you information on what's going on the ship, meet your people that you're going to be cruising with, sharing information. It might be, okay, you might want to know about formal night. How many formal nights? Somebody who's experienced will tell you. You want to know if they have a slot pool, gift exchange. All that will take place in that selling group.
Yes.
Join it today.
And it could be 2, 3 different groups, but normally it'll be all the same people on all the groups.
Next we're going to talk about is withdraw your cash.
Yes.
It's 30 days in. You need tip money. You got to get a port or something. He lugging your luggage from the street to the cruise ship. You got to give him something. Withdraw some cash and make sure you have single ones or fives, 10, whatever you tip. It is up to you. But withdraw your cash. Next we're going to talk about is check in online. It's that time. They want to know if you checked in, what time you're going to get there. They want to know if you're not sick. Have you been sick? They want to know all that. So again, you want to check in online because there's 2 processes to that. There's a check-in to telling them what time you're going to be there and all that. And then there's a check-in to the health assessment, making sure that you're not bringing nothing on that ship. So do all the check-in process while you're able to. Because if you don't do it beforehand, you better know they're going to have it right there for you because they know who did it and who did not do it. So go ahead and do it early. Get it out the way.
Next we're going to talk about is the packing list. Get your packing list together ahead of time. That way you know what you have to get. You can get up and go to the store, buy the loose ends of things that you might need. You can go to Amazon and check it out and find things that you might need or you might have to have. So make sure you go out and check that out.
Next we're going to talk about download the Carnival Hub app. If you're not going Carnival, download the Cruise app. What you waiting on? We say it on every video. Download it today. That way you can get the countdown, 30-day countdown. Each day it's going to give you another date. Then you can say, okay, I'm getting ready. Oh, my cruise is coming. Cruise day. Download that Carnival Hub app today. Next we're going to talk about is pre-cruise reservations. Make sure you got all those reservations. It's 30 days. Check them to make sure. I'm going to tell you a fun story. I was checking mine today to make sure that I had a way out of here and a way back. We couldn't find mine coming back. I'm calling the airline. I said, hold up. I need to get back home. So finally, they didn't attach my reservation, my club number to my reservation. And that's how they did not know. But make sure all that is done. Because they gave me like, whoa, what? And I thought I had to pay again. And I'm finished paying for it and I still. So again, that can happen. Just make sure you have everything. The hotel, your airline, and your shuttle. Uber, Lyft, taxi, whatever way you want to take to get there. Make sure that's in place. Next we're going to talk about is get organized. If you're going to pack your stuff in packing cubes, pack it in packing cubes. If you're going to pack it pack it the way you want to pack it. Pack it the way you want to pack it. Try on your outfit. Again, ladies, try on your outfits. I didn't try mine on last cruise. I got there. That thing was so tight. It was hugging. I was telling Fess, I was like, I feel so uncomfortable. I wore it till the formal night and guess what? I was there taking that outfit off. So try on your outfits, because you might have had that a year or two. You done gained some weight. So you need to go buy something else. Next you want to talk about is make online reservations. If you can make the reservations online now, 30 days in, go ahead and make them, especially specialty restaurants. You got to make that stuff ahead of time. And we say that because guess what?
They sell out.
They sell out quick, especially the steakhouse. You know, the first day, you get a free bottle of wine. Now, they might not offer it. You let them know. You ask them, it's the first night, I need my free bottle of wine, please. So they'll go get it. So again, the first night always sell out quick because they're giving out a free bottle of wine. Go on your app and reserve it, or go on carnival.com under your cruise manager and reserve it. Don't wait till you get on there because it might not be there.
Might not be available.
Nope. Next we're going to talk about is call your bank. Let them know that you're traveling. I'm going to tell you, it's funny. We did not call the bank maybe about 6 months, a year ago. And the bank was calling me. Hello, are you traveling? Because we see transactions coming through. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, I'm traveling. And this, okay, we're going to take the restriction off. But in the future, you need to let us know. Go ahead and call your bank. Let them know that you're traveling within 30 days. That way they'll have a travel restriction under your account and you won't have any problems.
Because sometimes you can't get through.
Yeah. Next we're going to talk about is print your luggage tags. I print off all mine within the year that I'm traveling, and I put them in a folder, and when I'm getting ready to go, I get them out the folder, put them in the folder that I take with me, and I have mine printed. Print them out. Some cruise lines don't require you to have luggage tags, and they will provide them for you, and most of them do. Just print them out, have an itinerary that you need to get on. Print out all your paperwork, everything, your luggage tag, the onboard paperwork, all that. That way you will have everything under control. Next we're going to talk about is make sure you turn off your mail. That is very important because guess what? If the mailman see your mail back there, he gonna take that stuff back to the hub. Then you're gonna have to go over there and make them come on and bring it back.
Or some stick-up guy could see all that mail and know you're not there.
Yes. So you want to turn off your mail because you don't want it to back up in your house. Then people know you're not home. That happened to my neighbor. She was gone for, I think, 3 weeks. And the mailman asked me, is she in here? Is she home? Her mail is still here. I've been putting her mail in the box a couple of days and it's still here. I said, she's there. She'll check it. He said, okay, because I was getting ready to take it on back. So again, they do take it back. So just turn it off and let them know from what to what. You can do that online. You don't have to go to the post office. You can go to USPS.com and you can turn that off right away. Next we're going to talk about is check the weather in your area and the area you're traveling to. I'm going to tell you, I'm always underdressed. I think that everywhere I go is like Bahamas weather. And it's not. Alaska don't have Bahamas weather. So again, check the weather. Because you don't want to be underdressed. I'm always underdressed and cold. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Let us know. If you have not subscribed, what you waiting on? Subscribe today.
Yeah, what you waiting on?
The bonus tip of today is download the Carnival Hub app. Download that Carnival Hub app today. I'm telling you, you're going to need it. They don't do paper no more. If you're in need of a travel agent, we can help you. Go ahead and put your request on fatcenturytravel.com, fatcenturytravel.com. If you like this video, we're going to post the next one 3 to 5 days before your cruise. What to do? It's cruise day. When it gets down to 3 to 5 days, it's cruise day. So go ahead, check us out so you can see, make sure that your checklist is on point like ours. Thank you for watching. Peace, love, and cruising.